Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin itong post ng GMA News 5 hours ago. Basahin ko President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. on Friday, kahapon, ordered an increase in the subsistence allowance of military personnel of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. So, ito, mayroong GMA.network na article, title is Marcos increases military personnel subsistence allowance to 350 per day. Okay? Ito po, matagal ng pangako. Noong December pa ito ini-announce ni Speaker Martin Romualdez through a phone call kay General Browner. Kalat na kalat ang video na ito. Ngayon pa nagsalita ang Pangulo. Timing. Ang ganda ng timing, ano? Dapat sana, kasi ang sabi ng speaker is, approved na ito. Ratified na. Tell our troops, we support them. We will do everything we can to increase their morale. We support our troops. So, ako personally natutuwa nung December kasi malaking bagay yung increase na yun, 150 per day na pagkain mo, hindi na magkasya yun. At least yung ginawang 350 medyo mabusog na ng konti ang sundalo. Kasi yung 150 per day, hindi ka mabubusog yan, 50 pesos per meal. Kawawa ang sundalo. Kaya ang daming natuwa. Kaya lang problema, January, walang increase na dumating. Pebrero, walang increase. Magmamarso na lang. Ngayon pa, ang timing, ito, alam nyo naman yung nangyari. So, ang ganda ng timing, So, mayroong pinirmahan na nito, executive order. So, in a way, ako natutuwa para sa ating mga sundalo na finally matatanggap na nila ang deserve nila na increase. So, meron na silang, anong tawag doon? Refund. Kasi 200 per day times 30. Mga 6,000. 6,000 nung January, 6,000 nung mga 18,000 ang kanilang matutuwa ang mga sundalo natin dyan. Okay. So, dito naman, reaksyon ng mga tao. People who reacted. Palagi akong nakatingin dito sa people who reacted. 59,000 people who reacted. 55 tumatawa. Anong ibig sabihin? There is something fishy about the timing. Alam nyo na, wag na nating ano yung timing, bakit ngayon pa nila isa sa katuparan. Tapos 896 galit. Ang nag-like lang is 2,400. Yun po ang reaksyon ng taong bayan. Then comments. Loyalty from those who have uphold their dignity is not for sale. It is a treasure earned through respect, integrity, and shared convictions. You who handed our beloved former president over to foreigners for trial in a distant land are not deserving of even the slightest loyalty. Wency Alidon, 350 for buying the dignity, shame. Denden Rose, Marcos are now seeing the impact of their wrong political move. They are making Duterte more popular and touch the hearts of Filipino majority. Min, Jill Bin, nice tactic. Ha ha ha. Increase the salary of men in uniform in times that the Philippines is now divided to obtain more favor and loyalty. Alps John, how insulting to the men in uniform. Joy Pilayo Sugon, money might speak, but it can't overshadow the damage you've done for the Filipino integrity. Saira Veralio, increase para makuha pulso ng AFP. Jero Noya Baksarpa, you are just trying to do everything so that their loyalty will be yours. Reginald Singayaw, to ease the burden. Sahara Ebardom, shame on this government. Rana Nika Kiban, wow, buying their dignity. Fred Rodriguez Hobiliano, AFP is not for sale. So, yun po ang mga comments. At ako, personally natutuwa ako para sa ating men and women in uniform. Deserve nila ito dahil kailangan nila ng increase sa subsistence allowance. Yung timing, bahala na ang taong bayan na maghusga kung bakit ngayon lang. Basta sa wakas, dumating na ang matagal na inaasam ng ating mga sundalo na ma-increase ang kanilang daily food allowance. Okay? So, mga kaibigan, salamat.